What's up, Vic Nation? What's up, YouTube? It's your boy King Victory, and I'm coming to you live from the family room. And the reason I'm coming to you, you remember when I say you can buy one and you can own one, but if you, no, I ain't what I say. Let's get it right.
And if y'all don't know us, shame on you.
So if you ride one, you own one. If you own one, you have two of them pieces, maybe even three. But imagine if you had three bikes. And I beat my phone up so much that it's shaking and baking that I can't even take the right pictures with my phone anymore. So I stopped using my phone for navigation, and we're using this. Carpuride. That's right, I said it, Carpuride. Carpuride right now is offering for your motorcycle, for your car, even your bike or your scooter. But this is for motorcycles. And you can transfer this from your Victory, from your Magnum, or to your Vision, or to your Jackhammer, or to your Hammer, or to your Vegas, or to your Jackpot, or to whatever one you got. You can change it up and switch it up. So what we're going to do is we're going to unbox this. And this is the first. And guess what? If you want to order one of these and you go to Carpuride.com and you order one, if you put in the coupon code, the Victory King, that's right, the Victory King, one word, the Victory King, right here on the screen, you get 30% off. That's right, I said 30% off, right? So we about to unbox this. Let's get with it. See y'all in a minute. I'm going to restart this. I don't have nobody action, so I can't say action or cut or nothing, but we're going to do it ourselves. Let's unbox this puppy. Let's start it over. We're going to start over right now.
And oh yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
All right, so let's go. We got a nice little blade over here. See what we got here. And Carpuride actually sent this to me, and I partnered up with them. That's how you know God is good. I partnered up with them, and let's see what we got. Let's go a little higher. I think I can make this happen. Let's see what's in the box. All right, so nice box. Oh, this is the 702 Plus. I'll put it on the screen. They do offer different models. 7-inch screen. Wow. Comes with the screen. We got your 7-inch screen. We got your ring adapter, phone calls, home button. That looks like reset. You got your power and your ground. You know we like to not read stuff. Comes with an adapter. Guess this is some type of cable. Oh, this is a camera, rear camera. Yeah, this is a 702. And it does have, sorry, rear camera. Should be another camera in here. Oh, here we go. Rear camera, front camera. Let's take out the plastic so you can see it. Everything that comes with it. Stick this over here. And This is an adapter. This means I can put it on any bike with the 1-inch ball. Simple ram mount design. See that? And then I can switch it from bike to bike. So it comes with the adapter, front camera, rear camera, little switch for the side, and a 7-inch screen. Look at that. That thing's nice. Some tools. Some instructions. All right. Oh, one more tool in here. Yeah. All right, so the Carpuride W702 Plus. It's right here, baby. We're gonna get this puppy installed, and then after that, we're gonna take it a little trip. We're gonna load up our Android Auto, because I'm not an Apple person. Y'all might be Apple CarPlay, but I'm not a CarPlay. I'm not a CarPlay person. You see, CarPlay is so complicated that it comes with the CarPlay manual. But me personally, I'm an Android person. Apple CarPlay, I mean, I get it. Yeah, I got Apple. Android Auto. And we just came back from a trip, but we're gonna have to put another one together just to use this Carpuride. We're gonna put this next video, we're gonna put this thing on the bike, man. And I was thinking about what bike to put it on. I think we're gonna put it on maybe Maggie? Maybe Maggie. I don't know. I said Bertha. But maybe Maggie, Bertha. I don't know. We'll see.